Are you one of those people who thought coleslaw was boring, sad, and plain? Well, I know how you feel because I used to be like you, but that was a long time ago. Before I discovered that coleslaw could be made in such a way that is tasty, exciting, and super yummy. If you want to learn how, make sure you stick around until the end. Hit that subscribe button before I continue. Good! Yeah, so the coleslaw I'm about to show you is a very nice coleslaw that will make everyone like you and they will think you're super cute. So how about we go into it right now and make the best coleslaw ever. So for this coleslaw, I'm just gonna need a tiny portion because I'm only demonstrating, there's nobody I'm serving. So I'm just cutting this tiny part of the cabbage just to make sure I have the littlest coleslaw I can make. So now some people prefer to use a food processor or a blender to shred the cabbage, but I prefer to control how the cabbage comes out and I prefer them longish like that. Okay, I'm done with the cabbage. I'm just gonna set it aside in this bowl and I'll cut the other vegetables. Before I prepare the actual carrot for the coleslaw, I'm just gonna do this for garnish, which you will see later. It's gonna look so cute. You're gonna think I'm cute. So that's the size I want for the carrot. So next up, I'm going to use this leftover red bell pepper. I honestly prefer green pepper, but this will do just fine. The next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab my red onion. I prefer to use red onion because it's visible in the salad. Aesthetics are so important because people eat with their eyes first. So I prefer to use red onion to white onion. You can use a shallot. I prefer red onion because it will be visible and it will add some pop of color and vibrance as opposed to white onion or yellow onion, which will just blend with the cabbage. Yeah. The next thing I'm gonna use is a cucumber. Would you take a look at that? The contrast between the colors is just amazing because I want everything to be seen and everything to be tasted. So now I'm just gonna grate this yellow lemon just for the zest. The zest is gonna add that beautiful lemon flavor. So the lemon juice at this point is very optional because I'm gonna use milk for this coleslaw. I don't want the lemon juice to mess up the chemistry of the milk. You know what happens when you add lemon juice to milk, right? But you can still squeeze a bit of lemon on your plate. That is as you are eating, not way before you start eating. So let's just give that a toss. Mind you, my video is in fast forward, so don't think I'm that fast. I'm hella slow, I'm a slug. Now this is the part where we start seasoning our coleslaw. If you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe now as we go into the next phase. Because this is the exciting part. This is the part that sets your coleslaw apart, you guys. This is now the part where we start seasoning our coleslaw. I'm gonna start with salt. Remember, you do all these things to taste. The next thing that I'm gonna add is my ultimate favorite, which is white pepper. The next thing I'm gonna add is the garlic powder. I prefer adding powders because they are less harsh than fresh stuff. And the next thing I'm gonna add is the ginger powder. Last but not least, the dried parsley. Oh, I love parsley. You can use any herb. So that's about all I've added, the powders and the salt. I'm just gonna toast that a little bit just to make sure that everything is mixed together before I go in with the mayonnaise, which is one of the master ingredients. So I'm gonna add the mayonnaise like that. Some people like to mix these ingredients separately and just pour everything in together, but I like to do it in this way because it's fun like that for me. I'm just gonna add a little bit of milk. I'm only adding this much milk because I don't want my coleslaw to be very runny. There you go. And then to sweeten this coleslaw, honey. You can use any sweetener, you can use sugar or whatever sweetener you have. But honey is going to do just fine for us right now. If you taste this coleslaw, I assure you, you won't leave any of it on the plate. Would you take a look at that? I mean, it's vibrant and the consistency is just perfect. Eat it, you'll be able to taste the cucumber, you'll taste the carrot, you taste the red pepper. Everything is the main ingredient. That's what I think, at least. So this is just about it. The balance is good. Let's put it away on a plate and see how we're gonna garnish it and just conclude with this video. Here we go. It looks so super yummy. That ginger powder makes it so yummy. You guys, ginger is yummy. And oh, my garnish, guys. The one I said was gonna be cute. Cute, 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 right? So guys, how perfect can the situation be? I got my 3 best friends over to taste their coleslaw right now. Okay, you guys need to be super honest for my viewers. Okay. So that's from, I don't know, from your left to your right, that's Akende, Tasha, and Gamanya. Oh my god, you went for the lemon first? Yes. Oh my god. She thinks it's tequila, oh my god. How's that, Gamanya?
Amazing.
Is it your ordinary coleslaw?
No, it's not. It's really, really good. What's in here? Oh my goodness.
You have to watch the video for you to get the recipe.
Dude.
Uh-huh. Oh my god. Oh my god, Natasha, you just got everybody's carrot.
It's that good. It is that good.
Aww.
You want to get one plate?
That's all I made, unfortunately. Alright guys, I'm going to, behind the scenes, I'm going to make you more coleslaw.
Thank you.
Thanks guys for tasting.
You're welcome.
You're welcome. There you have it guys, the best coleslaw you probably ever had, right? Thanks for watching guys. Be sure to subscribe and like this video and previous ones. Also follow me on Instagram at @ElMystique. Bye.